Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. Today we're going to be doing the maiden and the post finalized production of the Flight Test P40. I got her in a green and a beige under wing paint job, but we got right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. And this is going to be the maiden flight. I've got decals on the way. I've just got the paint job done. This is the maiden flight. Who knows how it's going to go. All right. She's a tail dragger, literally a tail dragger. I don't have a tail wheel, so I just got that barbecue skid. Whoa. Yeah. Definitely needs some down elevator. I'll tell you, she's flying like she's a little tail heavy. A little bit better now. I'm running an AR620 antenna-less receiver in her. So she's got no kind of gyro or stabilization of any type in her. So the wind is definitely a problem. Oh, she got a good roll rate on her. Yeah, I think she'll be fine once I get her trimmed. I'm running a 2200 3S in her. I think I need to pull it forward a little bit. But for a $44 or $40 kit, not bad. Now you got to add your own electronics. And I'm running, oh gosh, now I got to think. It's an 1100 kV motor and a 40 amp ESC. I'm running 70% throws over 30% expo. Yeah, I think if I move that battery forward a little bit more, because she's flying like she's tail heavy, and I thought she's going to be a little nose heavy. CG is about 1.5 inches in from the leading edge of the wing. Not bad, not bad at all for a kit. For a kit, not bad at all. Well, like a knife edge with her. Hey, not bad. For a maiden flight, I'm pretty impressed. But I do think I need to move that battery forward just a touch, because she still seems like she's tail heavy. And remember, nose heavy planes fly poorly. Tail heavy planes usually only fly once. All right, we're going to get a little further out here. All right. And what do you want to hear before you touch a plane? Motor off. I don't. You hear a click. Where we go. That's the Maiden on the flight test P40. I got her in mid-range, which is 70% throws over 30% expo all the way around. And not bad. I just need to get that battery moved, get that CG a little more forward, because she flies like she's a little tail heavy to me. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless. Hits that thumbs up. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Two different times I lost signal with this airplane in one day.
All right, folks, we're going to take up, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're going to take up the flight test P40 again. Second time I've flown her today. This is the second flight ever. I got a bigger battery in her, got a 2700 3-cell in her. Kind of in the middle. And because I thought she seemed awfully tail heavy before. So we're going to see how that does. Now this doesn't have a tail wheel, just a skid. So boy, she picked right up, didn't she? I'm running an AR620 antennaless receiver in her. Not too bad. Not too bad for a cardboard plane. I'm adjusting the trim because she still seems like she's climbing an awful lot on me. But like I say, she's got no kind of gyro, no kind of stabilization, no help at all. So whoa. All right, you know what? We're gonna go to high rates now. Whoop. Well, let's see. I don't think she's got enough power. I just don't think she has enough power, to be honest with you. Let's see what we got going here. Help me, help me. Uh-oh. Broke my wing. Uh-oh. Well, that's a problem. Motor off. Well, hey, cardboard, right? Or foam board. But that's actually a pretty easy fix. So, anyways, there you go, folks. That'll end it today, though, for that plane anyways. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all. Bye-bye.